Hi, I'm Honey Kalaria, and I just wanted to share some wonderful information about James. James Nicholson. He's a really amazing character. Not only is he knowledgeable, he's somebody who transforms lives. He has great knowledge, he provides great tips, and he really helps people and all the participants go home with something they can use to build their business to the next level. So I'd really like to congratulate him for this wonderful program that he's put together, because I'm sure people who wish to develop their businesses to the next level, every single one of them, 100% of the people who walk into that door will be going out with something that they can take back to help move their business to the next level. I also wanted to say, to organize programs like this, it requires a huge team effort. And James has put together these amazing individuals, a whole team, who are helpful, they work in such a harmonious way together, they're organized, they're really helpful. Any information you need, any kind of challenges you're experiencing during the program, they will be there supporting you, helping you, and find solutions to help you overcome those terrible problems that you're going through. So what I'd like to say is, just James isn't the only one, I would say. He is amazing with what he does, but he has a whole team of people that'll help you too. So if you get stuck after the program, you've still got people you can talk to. And thirdly, I would just like to say, to come to programs like this is very important, because if you have a dream, if you have a goal, you do need a peer group. You need people around you that will support you, who believe in you. Not just that, they may be seeing things in a different perspective, so what they may do is give you some ideas that can help you think about your business in a different way. So what I would like to say here, being somebody interested in the world of business myself, I love developing mind, body, soul. So what I mean by that is mind, personal development, which you get a lot of here. And then body means you go out there and take action. So they give you step-by-step systems that you can just follow and help you to get to the next level. And the soul part is you need to do something that you're passionate about. So whatever you want to work on, whatever your purpose in life is, if you come here, I think the whole team together with James will help you achieve that dream. And I'd like to also say a very big thank you to the whole team here, Lenny, Nicholas, Carol, we had Paul here, and Dear as well, and all the rest of the team members. So keep up the good work and keep transforming lives, and see you when I make my 7-figure sums.